Muscle weakness, especially in the legs, is one of the biggest challenges for seniors. What if the weakness you feel in your legs after 60 is not just aging, but a hidden nutritional problem that slowly steals your strength? Many seniors wake up in the morning and feel their legs heavy. Climbing stairs becomes difficult. Standing up from a chair feels harder than before. Your knees may shake, your balance may feel unsteady, and you may get tired after walking only a short distance. Most people simply say, "Well, I'm getting older. This is normal." But the truth is, it's not always just age. Very often, leg weakness after 60 happens because the body is missing important nutrients that keep muscles strong, joints flexible, and blood circulation healthy. And today, we are going to reveal powerful foods that can help support leg strength, reduce knee pain, and improve muscle recovery naturally. Stay until the end because the food number one may help rebuild muscle strength, support joint health, and improve mobility faster than most people expect. Let's begin. After the age of 60, the body naturally starts to change. Muscle mass slowly decreases. Joint cartilage becomes thinner. Blood circulation to the legs may become weaker. And many seniors develop deficiencies in important nutrients like magnesium, protein, potassium, and vitamin D. These nutrients play a critical role in how your muscles contract, relax, and repair themselves. When the body doesn't get enough of them, the legs may feel weak, stiff, or painful. You may experience cramps at night, knee discomfort, or difficulty walking long distances. But here's the good news. Many of these problems can improve simply by adding the right foods to your diet. These foods help support muscle strength, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and give your body the building blocks it needs to stay strong and active. Welcome, friends, to your channel Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. All this information is science-backed, and research references are provided in the description below. Now let's look at the foods that can help restore leg strength and support healthy muscles after 60. The first helpful food is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may look small, but they are packed with powerful nutrients. One of the most important nutrients inside them is magnesium. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle function. It helps muscles contract and relax properly. When magnesium levels are low, the muscles in the legs may cramp, tighten, or feel weak. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural sources of magnesium. They also contain zinc and healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and support hormone balance. Just 2 tablespoons per day can make a difference. You can soak them overnight and eat them in the morning, sprinkle them over oatmeal, or add them to a smoothie. Next is tart cherry juice. You might be surprised to see a drink on this list, but tart cherry juice is widely studied for its ability to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. Many seniors wake up with stiff legs or aching joints. This often happens because of low-grade inflammation inside the muscles. Tart cherries contain natural compounds called anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants help reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and support muscle recovery. Another benefit is that tart cherry juice helps the body remove lactic acid buildup from the muscles. Lactic acid is one of the reasons muscles feel stiff and sore after physical activity. Drinking a small glass of 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice in the evening may help your legs feel more relaxed the next morning. Now let's talk about spinach. But here is an important detail. Cooked spinach works better than raw spinach. Raw spinach contains compounds called oxalates that can block the absorption of certain minerals. When spinach is lightly cooked, these compounds break down, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients like iron, calcium, potassium, and natural nitrates. These nitrates are important because the body converts them into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps widen blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your leg muscles. This means better circulation, less fatigue, and stronger steps when you walk. A cup of lightly cooked spinach with olive oil, garlic, and lemon can be a powerful addition to your meals. The next food is lentils. Lentils are a simple food found in many kitchens, but they are incredibly powerful for muscle health. They are rich in protein, potassium, magnesium, and iron. Lentils also contain a special amino acid called leucine. Leucine is one of the key signals that tells your body to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Another important benefit is that lentils digest slowly. This means they provide steady energy for hours without sudden spikes or crashes in blood sugar. For seniors, stable energy is extremely important because sudden drops in energy can lead to weakness, poor balance, and increased fall risk. A bowl of cooked lentils with garlic, turmeric, and lemon can provide lasting energy and help support muscle recovery overnight. Now let's move to salmon. Salmon is one of the best foods for muscle recovery and joint health. It contains omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the muscles and joints. Salmon is also rich in high-quality protein, which helps rebuild damaged muscle fibers. Another major benefit is vitamin D. Many seniors have low vitamin D levels, and this vitamin is essential for proper muscle contraction and bone health. Together, omega-3, protein, and vitamin D create a powerful combination that supports stronger legs and healthier joints. Eating salmon 2 or 3 times per week can make a noticeable difference. Next is quinoa. Most plant foods contain only some amino acids, but quinoa is unique because it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it a complete protein, which is extremely helpful for seniors who may not eat large amounts of meat. Quinoa also provides magnesium, iron, potassium, and vitamin E. These nutrients help support energy production inside the muscles, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. Quinoa digests slowly, which helps provide steady energy and reduce nighttime muscle cramps. You can enjoy quinoa as a breakfast bowl with eggs and vegetables or as a side dish with dinner. Now let's talk about beets. Beets are one of the most powerful foods for improving blood circulation. They contain natural nitrates that the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing more blood and oxygen to reach your muscles. As we age, blood circulation to the legs often becomes weaker. This can cause the legs to feel heavy, tired, or slow. Beets help improve this circulation. You can eat roasted beets, add them to salads, or drink fresh beet juice. Many people notice improved energy and stronger walking performance within hours after consuming beet juice. And now we come to the number 1 food. This is the food that many people rarely think about, but it can be incredibly powerful for joint repair and muscle recovery. Bone broth. Bone broth is much more than just soup. It contains collagen, gelatin, and important amino acids like glycine and proline. These nutrients help repair connective tissues, support joint cartilage, and strengthen the structures around your knees and legs. Bone broth also contains natural electrolytes that support muscle function and hydration. Because these nutrients are already dissolved in liquid form, the body absorbs them quickly and easily. To make bone broth at home, simmer chicken or beef bones with garlic, herbs, and a splash of apple cider vinegar for several hours. Drinking 1 warm cup in the morning can provide powerful support for joint health and muscle recovery. Let's quickly recap the foods that help support leg strength after 60. Pumpkin seeds provide magnesium for muscle function. Tart cherry juice helps reduce inflammation and soreness. Cooked spinach improves circulation and nutrient absorption. Lentils provide protein and steady energy. Salmon supports muscles with omega-3 fats and vitamin D. Quinoa delivers complete protein and essential minerals. Beets improve blood flow to the legs. And bone broth supports joint repair and muscle recovery. Adding these foods to your diet can help support stronger legs, healthier joints, better balance, and improved mobility. Remember, leg weakness after 60 is not always just about age. Often, it's about nutrition, circulation, and proper muscle recovery. Small changes in what you eat can make a big difference in how your body feels. Take one step at a time. Start with one food today and see how your body responds tomorrow. Healthy aging doesn't mean becoming weaker. With the right nutrition, you can continue to stay active, independent, and strong. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and share it with a friend or family member who may benefit from this information. And don't forget to subscribe to your channel Be Healthy Talks and turn on notifications so you never miss our science-based health videos designed to help you live a longer and healthier life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.